Hello, and welcome to the first annual 2020 Hombre Derby. Here are our contestants today. First up, we have Jake Pitts racing with Honda and Fox Factory.
Oh, I'm Jake Pitts, and I'm racing for Fox Factory and Honda.
Jake, a lot of people say that Americans always win, but a lot of people also say Honda always wins. How do you think that you're going to win this race today?
Well, I'm racing for Honda and I'm American.
Next up is Team Big and Bates.
I'm William Kugler, founder and CEO of the company I'm racing for, Big and Bates. I feel like I'm going to do really good on this course today, as I have a great advantage of really knowing how to shred, and all the other people stink.
William, how do you think your shredding abilities will benefit you on this course?
Well, you know, people always say you have to shred, you know, and the more you shred, the faster you're going, you know, so, you know.
I know. That was a motivational video by Team Big and Bates. Next up, Team America. I'm Matthew Norton. I'm racing for Team America. Americans always win. It's going to be pretty easy. Can I just restart? I mean, I've never lost a race in my life. Never even got second. So I think my odds of winning are pretty much 100%. Yeah, it's going to be pretty easy. Well, that was a very interesting video by Team America. Next up, Team Fingers.
Hi, I'm Ian Norton, and I'm representing Team Fingers, the best gloves in dirt biking.
Ian, how do you think that fingerless gloves will help you on a dirt bike without a clutch today?
I think that they'll help because when you use finger gloves, you can't really feel the clutch, but with fingerless, it's a lot easier.
Well, what he said made 0 sense since the dirt bike doesn't have a clutch, but that was some really cool music. Now, on to what you all have been waiting for. Team Triceratops.
Gonna grow some giant legs, gonna grow enormous feet, gonna stomp around and gnash my teeth and eat and eat and eat. Tyrannosaurs love to eat.
Hi, I'm Eric Norton, and I'm representing Team Triceratops today.
Eric, how do you feel about your odds of winning this race? The last 2 times you've been to this course, you've crashed.
I don't think I'm gonna crash this time.
After seeing Team Fingers' video, I thought Team Triceratops would be a little bit better. But theirs didn't even have anything to do with a Triceratops. Anyway, let's take a look at the Red Bull course preview. Here we go, right out of the start, up the first hill. Next, we come around a quick turn. Quick turn, the one everyone always misses. Here's one slidey, that one you usually slip on. Now down, around, up, down, through the goalie. That one's big. Here, shred. through, 360, around. This one's sliding. This one's sliding, down, down, down. Here we go down the hill, and you're done. Back to Team Triceratops. And Team Triceratops it is, lining right up at the start gate as we speak. And here comes Eric Norden. And he's off. Eric has a little bit of a slow start, but it looks like he's gonna make it up this hill. A couple of steps, and let's see, looks like he's making it well. Slowly but surely, he's doing it. Now, Eric makes it through that turn. In practice, a lot of people were just blasting straight through that one. Oh, Eric goes down! Oh, wow. Let's see how he does. It looks like he's back up. Can we get an instant replay of that one? Wow. Let's see how he goes in slow motion. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that was your Fox Factory instant replay. Let's get back to the race. This is the final stretch down the hill. Let's see what he can pull off right here. Here he comes. Down the hill. 1 foot out for stabilization. Looking for the finish. A little bit of arrow, and there he goes. That was an excellent performance today by Team Triceratops. Now, let's go see what Eric has to say in the FMF Factory post-race interview.
I burned my.
How are you feeling, Team Triceratops?
Bad.
What do you think you could have done to improve this race?
Not crash. If the bike was faster. Switch gears more.
And there you have Team Triceratops. Next, let's see the race start from Team Big and Bates.
Hey, William, try to crash.
Here he goes, William Kugler off for Team Big and Bates. William Kugler shredding very well. Here he goes into one of the first major turns. Some good berm blasting right there by Team Big and Bates. This, ladies and gentlemen, is where the hardest part of the race begins. William Kugler going around the turn. Wow, did you see that shred right there? Can we get an instant replay of that shred? Here it is. Wow, look at all that dirt coming up. What an excellent shredder. His abilities really do help him. Now, let's get back to the race. Comes William Kugler, right at the end. Here he comes down the hill. Only a little bit left. That is an excellent performance by Team Big and Bates today. Now, let's see what William Kugler has to say about this race. Deal with your performance today.
Oh yeah, I feel like I shredded. Oh yeah. Didn't crash once.
Is there anything you could have improved on?
I broke through 6 barriers. I could have not.
Well, there you have William Kugler. Next up is Ian Norden with Team Fingers.
Are you ready?
And Ian Norden is off. Here he comes, up to the first hill. Let's see how he does here. He seems to not need the extra boost. Did well up that one. Around the 360. Sticks his leg out for a little bit of shreddage. Down, and here he comes to the finish. He keeps it under control down this hill, and let's see him finish right here. Getting down for aerodynamics, and he's done it. That was an excellent time that Team Fingers put up. Now let's see how he feels in the FMF post-race interview.
I felt good. I felt like I went pretty fast, and the fingerless gloves definitely helped.
Okay, that's Team Fingers. Next up, we have Jake Pitts racing for Honda Racing. Here is his start. And Jake Pitts is off. I don't know if that starting technique really worked. It looked like it kind of just dug a hole. But we'll see during this race. Here he comes in the straightaway. With the Fox Factory follow cam, we can really see him going. As you might have guessed, this video isn't actually live. So instead of watching William ride by himself for 2 minutes, let's just skip to a random part near the end and see the finish. Coming round the end, he goes over that hill really quickly. Down into the hill, and he misses the turn, has to loop back around. Our Fox Factory follow cam seems to not be following him anymore. Fox Factory in the lead. Fox Factory goes off and Honda wins. That was an excellent race today by Jake Pitts of Honda Racing. Let's see what Jake thinks of his performance. How did you feel that your performance was in this race?
Well, I mean, the 230 couldn't keep up with me, so I feel pretty good.
Now let's see Matthew Norden as he starts his race for Team America. And Matthew Norden is off with Team America. Wow, he is going unbelievably fast. Faster than any of the competition. Just look at him go. It almost looks like this video has been sped up. Somehow the pace keeper is able to keep up with him, but oh, what's going on? He just cleared straight through that barrier, and he stopped.
Can I just restart?
Sure.
Matthew Norden is going to have to restart the race. In the meantime, while he's headed back to the pits, let's hear a message from our 2020 Hombre Derby Extreme Sports sponsor.
Nowhere to run? Nowhere to ride? Now wherever there's carpet, blast off with Fun Slides, the amazing carpet skates that glide, slide, or ride. Constructed of friction-defying super smooth plastic, secured by hook and loop straps, shock-free foam, and elastic. No matter what your size, anyone can fun slide. Even your dog will want to fun slide. So strap them on and see where they take you. You can get your pair of Fun Slides that fit virtually every shoe size for $14.99, plus processing and handling. Plus, you can get a second pair to share for $10 more with free shipping.
And Team America is off, leaving the Fox Factory follow cam in the dust. Here he comes up the hill though. He is stopped and turning to go up at the grass. Interesting tactic. No other team has done this yet. But Team America really knows what he's doing. He runs up the hill and gets back on his bike. Well, we know how fast he's gonna go, so let's just skip to the end so that it's less boring.
So bad. Matthew, what was going on? You missed the turn again.
Team Honda seems to be a little bit mad that Team America was going so fast. Well, let's see how Team America feels about his performance today. And I already know, I probably blew out both of the top riders.
I'm gonna tell him what time he got.
That was an easy race. I didn't even have any trouble. In fact, I knew I was going to win so bad, I just gave it to him and I walked up that hill over there.
Let's see what time you got, Matthew.
You got first. Just
What?
kidding. it. Just kidding, you got third.
Number 1. First place. It was rigged. It was rigged. Jake cheated.
Thanks for watching the 2020 Hombre Derby.